Imagine transforming your kitchen into a sustainable haven, where every product you use not only saves the planet but also aligns with your vegan lifestyle. Sounds incredible, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of eco-friendly vegan kitchen products. These are game changers, not just for the environment but also for your health, your budget, and your sense of purpose. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your kitchen into an eco-friendly powerhouse. Let's get started. Did you know that the average kitchen contributes significantly to environmental waste every single day? From plastic utensils to chemical-laden cleaners, the choices we make in our kitchens impact the planet far more than we realize. But here's the good news: small, conscious changes can create massive ripples of sustainability. And the best part? These changes are vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and completely sustainable. Ready to discover them? Let's break it down. Section 1. Reusable alternatives to single-use plastics. First up, let's talk about the most notorious villain in every kitchen: single-use plastics. From cling wraps to Ziploc bags, they're convenient but destructive. The solution? Reusable silicone storage bags. These are perfect for storing leftovers, freezing fruits, or packing snacks. They're durable, leak-proof, and completely safe for your food. And what about cling wrap? Enter reusable beeswax wraps, or for the vegan option, soy wax wraps. They mold perfectly around bowls or cover fruits, keeping them fresh without a single shred of plastic waste. Simple swaps like these can save thousands of plastic products from ending up in landfills. Section 2. Eco-friendly cleaning products. Let's move on to kitchen cleaning. Most dishwashing liquids and surface cleaners are packed with harsh chemicals that harm both your health and the environment. Instead, look for plant-based, biodegradable cleaning products. Brands like EcoMe and 7th Generation offer vegan-friendly options that are tough on grease but gentle on the earth. Better yet, you can make your own cleaning solutions. A mix of vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils creates a powerful, eco-friendly cleaner that's free from harmful toxins. It's budget-friendly and smells amazing. A win-win, right? Section 3. Sustainable cookware and utensils. Next, let's rethink the tools we cook with. Non-stick pans may be convenient, but many of them release toxic chemicals when heated. Instead, opt for cookware made from stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic. These materials are incredibly durable, healthier for cooking, and better for the planet. When it comes to utensils, bamboo or stainless steel are excellent options. Say goodbye to plastic spatulas and hello to beautifully crafted, sustainable alternatives. They look better, last longer, and don't leach harmful substances into your food. Plus, bamboo utensils are biodegradable, making them a fantastic zero-waste choice. Section 4. Compostable and recyclable kitchen essentials. Ever wondered what happens to all those kitchen scraps? Instead of tossing them into the trash, why not compost them? Investing in a compost bin is one of the most impactful steps you can take towards a zero-waste kitchen. And for those unavoidable disposables, switch to compostable options. Compostable dish sponges, biodegradable trash bags, and recyclable paper towels are widely available and reduce the burden on landfills. Every little action adds up. Section 5. Zero-waste storage solutions. Storage is another area where eco-friendly options shine. Glass jars are a versatile and sustainable way to store everything from grains to spices. They're easy to clean, don't absorb odors, and give your kitchen that chic, organized look. If you're meal prepping or packing lunches, stainless steel containers are a game changer. They're lightweight, long-lasting, and keep your food fresh without the need for plastic wraps or bags. Bonus tip: look for containers with leak-proof lids to avoid any messes on the go. Section 6. Plant-based dishware. Your plates and bowls deserve an eco-friendly upgrade too. Ditch plastic dishware and opt for items made from bamboo, recycled glass, or even wheat straw. These materials are lightweight, durable, and completely biodegradable. And let's not forget about cups and mugs. Reusable coffee mugs made from stainless steel or bamboo are perfect for your morning coffee runs. They keep your drink hot for hours and save countless disposable cups from going to waste. Section 7. Vegan pantry staples with minimal packaging. A sustainable kitchen isn't just about tools, it's also about what you eat. Stock your pantry with vegan staples like beans, lentils, grains, and nuts, but pay attention to packaging. Buying in bulk is a fantastic way to reduce waste. Bring your own jars or reusable bags to fill up on essentials at bulk food stores. And if you're buying packaged items, look for brands that use eco-friendly packaging, like paper or compostable materials. You'll be supporting companies that care about the planet as much as you do. Section 8, Energy-efficient appliances. Let's talk about the energy your kitchen uses. Appliances like refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers consume a lot of power. By choosing energy-efficient models, you can drastically cut down your carbon footprint. Look for appliances with an Energy Star rating. They're designed to use less energy without compromising on performance. And don't forget the small steps, like unplugging appliances when not in use and switching to LED lights for your kitchen. These changes might seem minor, but they add up to significant energy savings over time. Section 9, Vegan and eco-friendly kitchen accessories. Sometimes, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Dishcloths made from organic cotton, bamboo scrub brushes, and coconut fiber scouring pads are excellent alternatives to traditional options. They're biodegradable and just as effective. And let's not overlook cutting boards. Bamboo or sustainably sourced wood cutting boards are durable, naturally antibacterial, and much kinder to the planet than plastic ones. Plus, they add a rustic charm to your kitchen. Section 10, The power of DIY in your kitchen. Finally, let's unleash the power of DIY. Making your own vegan butter, plant-based milks, or even homemade granola is not only satisfying but also cuts down on packaging waste. By controlling the ingredients, you're ensuring everything stays vegan, eco-friendly, and healthy. You can also DIY eco-friendly wraps, cleaning sprays, and reusable napkins. These small projects can be fun and incredibly rewarding. And the best part? They save you money while saving the planet. There you have it, your ultimate guide to eco-friendly vegan products for the kitchen. Every choice we make in our kitchens can have a profound impact on the environment and our overall well-being. By switching to sustainable, cruelty-free alternatives, you're not just reducing waste, you're creating a healthier, more conscious way of living. So, which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly living tips. Together, we can make a difference, one small change at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.